Learn to draw a library bear. You'll need paper, a pencil, and a fine liner or felt tip pen for later. This will go fast, so pause as much as you like. Draw a square with curved edges in the centre of your page. Then the same shape again inside and over to the left. Then the same shape again, on top, also over to the left. 2 long V shapes next, which will become your bear's legs. 2 dots on your bear's body, which become 2 diagonal lines. 2 curves to create semicircles. Then 2 marks further up your bear's body. Then curves, which will become arms. 2 more curves to complete them. 2 lines just below your V shapes. Then 2 curves to create the feet. 1 ear, then a dot and a mark to guide your next ear. Draw in your ear shape with a furry line. Then the inner ear. 2 dots on the face as a guide for your bear's snout. 2 eyes, eyebrows, however you want to draw them, and a nose. Claws on your feet and on your hands. Your bear can hold anything you like. Now it's time to draw over in pen. You can add some fur texture into the lines if you like, and now's the chance to make any changes you want to. Gently rub out your pencil lines, and add some colour if you like. Thanks for drawing with us, and look out for our other drawing videos. Please share your drawings with the hashtag Hackney Library Bear.